watching Time Out. Season 2.
And this season we're doing smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Smoothie Sailing! Daria, today we're gonna make pear punch!
Pear punch!
And the ingredients are
watermelon, pear and banana, cocoa powder.
Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and start. Put in the watermelon. Okay, Daria, let's put in the pear.
Yeah.
Daria, let's put in some almond milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Daria, add some cocoa powder.
I'm going to try it first.
No, you can't try it first. Put it in there.
Then I'll try it.
Okay, and the last ingredient?
It's ice.
Ice! It's nice and cool. Come on, Daria, let's throw it in. Should we go ahead and blend it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour in mine. Okay, Daria? Do you want to take off your glasses? Okay.
Because the sun.
Look what Mama got us. Aren't these cute?
Yeah. Are you ready to try it, Mama?
I am ready to try it, Daria.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, wow.
It's so chocolatey.
Yes. So the interesting thing about this smoothie is that it's packed full of different types of fruits, yet you put in some cocoa powder to give it that chocolatey kind of mix. And you might think it doesn't go together well, but it really does kind of pack in a punch.
Something in the top.
No, we have these cute little straws. All right, that's all the time we have for today. Hope you enjoy your smoothie. And of course, if you have your own smoothie recipes you want to send in, go ahead and do that. And we'll be more than happy to try it out. And of course, Daria, what do you say? Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe.
Shall we put in the yogurt with a baby spoon?
Oh my god, it's pretty. Oh my god.